Hello, my name is Mystical Origami, and today I am going to teach you how to make a traditional origami crane. This is my first origami tutorial, so I hope it goes well. Let's get right into the folding. For this origami model, you are going to need a square sheet of paper. Any size will work, but a 6x6 inch or 15 by 15 centimeters square or larger will work best for beginners. If you do not have access to a square sheet of paper and cannot make one yourself, I will be making a video later on that shows you how to make a square sheet of paper from printer paper. So, to fold the crane, you are going to need to start by folding a square base. To do that, you need to first valley fold the paper in half both ways, like this. After this, you turn the paper over and fold it in half diagonally both ways. Then you turn the paper over again, and you collapse it into a square base. Starting with this crease, you fold it over like this, and then you fold this crease over here. You have this sort of thing now. Take this crease, you fold it over here, and this crease in here, you fold down, and you push it all down. This is your square base. Now you're going to valley fold this edge so that it meets this crease here in the middle. Just like this. Unfold it, do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to do what's called a petal fold. Basically, you take this first layer here and you're going to bring it up and basically fold it in between these 2 points you've created. And then just flatten it out by folding creases here. Okay, now you're going to turn the paper over and repeat the process. Fold these edges into the center. Unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Unfold. Petal fold. Now you're going to take this layer here, take this bottom edge, and fold it into the center. Do the same thing on the other side. Turn it over, repeat the process. Edge into the middle, just like this. Okay, now you're going to take this layer here and just fold it over to the left, like this. Just like that. Turn it over, do the same thing. Now you're going to take this first layer on the bottom here and fold it up all the way to the top point, as far as you can. Turn it over, repeat the process, fold it up to the top. Now you're going to take this and fold it in the middle over to the left. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, while holding the paper around here with your thumb and pointer finger, you can grab either of these little things that you made and just kind of bring them out until about this point right here on the paper, and just crease it there. Do the same thing on the other side. Now choose a side to make the head of the crane. I'm choosing this side. You're going to fold the head just like this so it looks like a head. Crease that. And then over here you're just going to open out this little piece of paper and just kind of use that crease to guide you as you reverse the paper. This is called an inside reverse fold. Once you've done this, you're almost done. All you have to do is take these, which have obviously become the wings, and fold them downward as far as they'll go. Then just put the wings in a position where you would like them to be. And take this bottom part, kind of just shape it a little openly like this so that it can stand up on its own. You've just folded your first origami crane. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. If you want to see more content like this, please like, subscribe, and share the video. If you have any questions regarding how to fold an origami crane, please leave your question down in the comment section below. I will get to it as soon as I can. Have fun folding.